What is up, guys? Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is the first video that's going up. Welcome to Jamaica's worst gamer. I'm not very good at playing this game because I haven't played it for years.
Do me a favor, please. Get out of here.
It's Call of Duty Modern Warfare. So I'm Jamaica's worst gamer, so during the game you're gonna hear me speak Jamaican fully bumbleclot Jamaican. Okay, let's get into it. So as you can see, we are lose already.
Enemy incoming.
With the one, then the four. Alright, I could deal with it. So I'm posting on my ears attack. I don't even know them myself. I'm not listening to them. Still come out of a thing. You see me? Bumbleclot. What's up, bro?
Nothing, mate.
You good?
Yeah, I'm good.
Okay.
Yeah, mate.
Yeah, bro. So yeah.
I love Jamaica.
You love Jamaica? Which country you from?
I used to working with the people from Jamaica. I was working in London.
Okay, you was working in London, okay.
Yeah. And I come from Italy.
Oh, you're from Italy?
Yeah.
Okay, so are you in Italy now?
Yeah.
How is the coronavirus?
Fucking disgusting. But here, when I came from, it's usually about basically, they got some coronavirus, but it's not really dangerous.
Okay.
My small city. I'm unlucky for that.
Okay. Just keep safe. Be safe and keep safe, okay?
Yeah, of course.
Stay in. Yes, stay inside and play game. Stay inside and play game. Alright, play mouse through that. Yeah, good man. Alright, let's get back to this now.
Where are you coming from?
I live in England, but I'm Jamaican.
Okay.
Yeah. So I have a YouTube channel already, but I'm starting a new YouTube channel. So this is gonna be my first video I probably post on the channel. My channel is gonna be named Jamaica's Worst Gamer.
Allied precision airstrike incoming.
Yeah, Jamaica's Worst Gamer.
Friendly shield deployed.
Jamaica is strong, I mean.
Yeah, man. Jamaican strong. Alright, now we're gonna make a swap back no. So when you come to carry yourself, pussy will try to shoot me in there. Alright. Come in, so bumbleclot.
No, she wasn't ready.
Alright, I can see what going on now. Come in and concentrate and talk to my brother there. The Italian man there. So you don't know. Alright.
Allied UAV overhead.
So people, if you like the video, please like. Gunshot him! Fuck! You missed! Okay, this is ours, okay. Go upstairs, see what I want.
Allied UAV overhead.
I'm too open up here. I'm too open.
Enemy at the bottom.
I can see what I want, yes.
Enemy UAV overhead.
These things are too big, man.
In beach.
What the boss in it?
Alexander. Alex.
Your name is Alex? Huh?
Alexander, yeah.
Lagyan din naman na mamambot na. Huh? This map is too fucking big. Oh shit, he's sniping. Batman has snipe. We're still winning by 3. Not with my not with my thing. For me shit na bumbleclot. Alright. Dead. Fuck.
Fuck.
Alright, let's see see what I can concentrate on yourself now. Someone that's doing us. Chip.
Big little botana.
Shit, come on, get in us.
Enemy care.
There. Oh, what is that?
Enemy personal radar overhead. Enemies here.
Alright, come through that side now.
They've reached the
That's at
halfway
least I
point.
wanted.
Get moving. Enemy personal radar
You know,
overhead.
I have a different class. I need a different class. So I'm only using one gun.
Enemy cruise missile.
Change my class. Alright, I'm dead. My class change. What was here? Gunshot in your dirty batty boy here.
Package inbound.
Come on, then I'm missing one. Over there. Yeah, okay, I'm dead. Alright.
Enemy cluster strike. Take cover.
Where am there?
Enemy sentry gun active.
Move! Boy! There's some cancers, boy! Go some cancers, the people! One man, the front is he there? Come. Fight him. Is he going upstairs?
Enemy UAV overhead.
Is he going upstairs? Go upstairs, huh? Go this up. But he don't know somewhere, isn't it? Then I'll go over there. I can't worry the camping thing now. Boat! Clap!
Enemy care
Batman!
package inbound.
Run go in the dog!
Enemy counter UAV.
Don't go upstairs now!
Lost radar.
Silent! See now? Jump up!
We have a personal
Then that.
radar drone ready for entry.
Not that!
Radar overhead.
Kill one another one, kill me.
Enemy in the playground. Care package ready.
Don't finish.
Enemy cluster strike.
Care
Take cover.
package. Drop my care package. Oh no, not that. Drop my care package there, sir. And chill.
Understood, Dagger 2 on the
Quick.
drop off. Copy. Falcon 3 on route. Personal radar coverage. Precision airstrike.
What is
Ready
this?
on your mark.
Okay. Oh, yes, right. Just a second, I'm not sure if it is.
Eric 3. Got
Then
it.
thank you.
Inbound.
I got bossy man. Alright. Now you see why I am Jamaica's worst gamer. Coming and kill nobody. I be a chat, me a chat. It's not nobody you talk them at all.
Radar completed. Recalling to base.
He's coming. Got him! One shot! One love. Bob Marley, yeah?
Yeah, mate.
Living legend, man. Yeah. Well, not living anymore. Died.
Our windows closing. Move
So
quickly.
legend. He was a living legend. Bomba clock, I'm over there. Got a shotty. He got it. Shotty.
Enemy UAV overhead.
The kid from Rapid extra price. Go upstairs. Go upstairs. Kill one.
That's one.
30 seconds. We are out of time. Move.
Yeah, we lose, dog. Fuck. Yeah, we lose. Big idiot. Jesus Christ.
Enemy cruise missile.
Oh, we're dead. Oh, so we lose. 79 to 94. We get beat. Bomba clot. They beat it. They kill it. Ah. Yo.
Stop it, bro!
Stop it.
Give me my chicken, bro!
You want your chicken, yeah? You want your chicken? Yeah. So guys, that was Jamaica's Worst Gamer first video. As you can see, I am a shit gamer. I can't play games to save my life. If you like this channel, please give it a thumbs up on the video. Please like, comment and subscribe. How shit I am, I don't mind. I can take the abuse because I know I'm shit. I will get better one day though. So guys, until the next video, I'll see you around.